Okay, so we've got a 2021 Honda CR-V in a VTI automatic 5-door SUV in a nice pearl white. It is the VTEC Turbo, front wheel drive, got the reverse camera there, alloy wheels, tinted windows. There are no scratches or damage around the car. It all presents in pretty good condition. The vehicle is yet to be detailed, but we couldn't wait to show you. We'll take a look at the interior as well. So we've got the cruise control on the steering column there, the Bluetooth connectivity. There's your dash there, sorry about the sun. 18,000 kilometers, still under factory warranty. There's your big color screen, automatic transmission, air conditioning, it's freezing cold. Driver's seat, excellent condition there. Side airbags too, logbooks, full service history and 2 keys. There's your back seat there, pretty much like brand new. Just show you inside the boot quickly. All inquiries are welcome. Please give us a call.